Hmm.
And look at the elephant.
Oh, a big elephant. I can see it.
That's it.
What is behind the door?
I don't know, but you will figure out.
How? Oh,
Welcome to Crayon Club. Please subscribe and hit the bell button.
this looks like an interesting book. Is it?
Yes,
Show me.
it's like this.
Hmm.
And there's animals. Some of them are cute, some of them are scary.
Some of them are scary. Let's see.
Look, some lions.
Wow.
And look at the lion cub.
Yes.
And look at this.
Oh, that's a cute little bird.
And look at this hat.
Oh, what is this hat for?
For keeping it on this on when there's wild animals.
Hmm.
Look at this tiger.
Oh, that looks really dangerous.
But he's not roaring at us.
Oh, so he's not dangerous?
And now he's roaring us.
Oh my god.
But it's this long and this short.
Hmm. Tigers have scales on their bodies?
Yes. They have black scales.
Okay.
And look at this, some of them are cute.
Oh, cute. Cute little cubs of the tiger.
1, 2, 3.
Wow.
3 cups are there. Please subscribe and hit the bell button. And look at the elephant.
Oh, a big elephant. I can see it.
That's it.
What is behind the door?
I don't know, but you will figure out.
How? Oh, what is it? A man who's washing the elephant.
And one more right here.
Hmm.
And do you want to see it splash?
Splash? Oh my god, that is a big slash.
Splash. Mommy, what's the name of splash?
Splash. Splash.
And look at the baby giraffe.
Oh,
Baby giraffe. What's that word for?
baby giraffe is called baby.
And mama giraffe.
Mama giraffe is called a mama giraffe. Oh, what else is there in the book?
Look at the gorillas. This is the brothers together. This is the mama one. You want to see the baby one. And the papa one. Yes, here's the monkeys, but I don't see it.
Where is he? Oh,
The baby monkey and the papa monkey.
the baby gorilla and the mama gorilla. Oh, what are they eating? Which fruits are they eating?
Apple. Green apple.
They like green apple? Oh.
This is the next page.
And what are these?
Mommy, penguins. And look at this cute one.
The cute little penguin.
And look at this. Look at this. He's about to eat the fish.
Oh, why are they eating fish?
Because they like them. And look at that one. He's eating that fish.
Yes, he is.
Do you want to see more fish than that? Look.
Wow, so many fishes for the penguins in the bucket.
And the people throw it out. And the penguins catch them. Look at the ball in this.
Oh,
He's doing a ball with stance. He's like this.
hmm,
And look at
right.
that one.
That's a seal pup.
And he got the fish.
Yes, he did. And who is this?
A bear.
A polar bear?
Do you
Oh.
want to see this? This eats the fish.
And what is it behind this bush? These are cute little
Flamingos.
flamingos.
Hiding by that bush.
Hiding by the bush.
There's some wild.
Wild animal. I'm so scared. Who is the wild animal behind this door?
This one.
Oh, the snakes.
Look at these snakes. These are small snakes. This is the biggest snake.
What is the biggest snake called? Do you know the name of the biggest snake?
It's called this big.
Yeah, it's called anaconda.
Anaconda. Yes, and what the small snake called?
Snakes.
You see the wildest animal of all.
Yes. Oh my god, who's it? Oh,
Baby crocodile.
the baby crocodile.
One more right here. Do you want to see some wild animals?
Yes, I do. Oh, snip, snap. A big crocodile. What does a crocodile do?
He just watches his eyes, and when a human comes and make a noise, he comes out of the water. Yes.
Whoa.
This is zoo and
The end of the book. Oh, you like your book?
yes, but you want to see some animals? Please subscribe and hit the bell